morning. I'll be teaching my Making Money as a Freelance Writer workshop at the upcoming conference. And I'll be drawing from two of my books. The Flying Nun, A Light Bulb Moment in Me, 40 Years Making Money as a Freelance Writer. Hey, you can do it too. Based on my 40 plus years of making money as a freelance writer. I'll teach you about publishers that have ideas for books and will pay you up to $15,000 to produce them. I'll talk to you about how you can get press release projects from marketing firms and ad agencies and local businesses. And we'll also talk about exploring the greeting card market. Lots of opportunities for people out there. Okay? And I'll also be drawing from my 39th book and 5th self-published title, Life Advice from Mr. Dill Pickles, which I wrote with two of my grandsons and their tuxedo cat, Mr. Dill Pickles. So both books are available on Amazon, but in the meantime, make sure you show up to the conference and visit I Love to Write Day to learn about I Love to Write Day, which is celebrated every November 15th. See you then. Live long and meow.